Well, let's see if there's any time left in this camera. Battery's almost dead. Anyway, I've been working on the front stateroom. Got the most of the walls in. Got one wall that would go right there, but once I got it up in here, this wall here is leaning in, which is causing issues. And that wall, we accounted for that wall leaning out, but to get this guy level in this plane, it needed to be tilted back. And then the trouble is then that kicks out the bottom here. And I don't know if you really can see it, but yeah, right here would be where that wall is. So this wall would come off and be hitting that. So the two possible solutions I'm thinking about right now is to go and cut this guy right here, cut this guy right there, and then this wall would basically come here and anchor that point right here. The other solution would be cut it over here, cut it down there, and then do an angled door, which actually then provides a little bit more room in the room and less room in the bathroom. So but it seemed like it fit. Got the air conditioner area set up and whatnot, or at least the shelves built and everything. And then here's the closet down below. It's not too bad. And there you can see the massive lean I've had to put into this to get this level, because I believe this wall is, I don't know, let's see where I've screwed up, or it's the floor. Yeah, you can see that wall. So yeah, I gotta have, yeah, I didn't take into account that this wall was way out of square. So anyway, oh, the joys of the boat and everything and whatnot. Made quite a mess in here. Oh, okay, well, that's it for my work. Let me show you what's been done upstairs. I'm gonna restart it here.